This topic is about local and international codes and standards. For ME Law, Ethics Codes and Standard Subject, ME 427. In the Philippines, the implementation of local and international codes and standards is critical in various sectors, including construction, healthcare, environmental protection, and industrial processes. Below, so here's the next slide, is a detailed overview of the prominent local and international code and standard relevant to the Philippines. Two. Local codes and standards, and yung Philippine Electrical Code, Part 1 and 2. Occupational Safety and Health Standards, National Building Code, and Fire Code. So, yung mga other codes yan. So, unahin natin yung National Building Code. National Building Code of the Philippines or NBCP, it is a Republic Act number 6541. Governs the construction of building and other structure to ensure safety and welfare. Next, includes provision on structural requirements, fire safety, accessibility, and health. So lahat yan, architect, civil, mechanical, electrical, andyan lahat. Mayroon din sila mga provisions. Fire Code of the Philippines, this is the Republic Act number 9514, establishes fire prevention and safety measures applicable to building and facilities. Yan. Hindi ka makakuha ng clearance sa pero pag visit na approved based sa Fire Code of the Philippines. Next, Philippine Electrical Code. Yan. The code that regulates electrical installation and maintenance in buildings, ensuring safety from electrical hazard. Next, the Plumbing Code of the Philippines. Yan. Guidelines for plumbing works to ensure proper sanitation, health, and safety standards. Next, environmental laws include the Clean Air Act. Andito lang dyan. Yan. Water Act, Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, among others, which provide guidelines for environmental protection. So, ito yung ginagamit ng DENR. Ayan. Mga code, mga environmental. Presidential Decree, PD 1586, Philippine Environmental Impact Statement System 1978, RA or Republic Act 8749, Clean Air Acts, the AA of 1999, Clean Water Act of 2004, which is RA 9275, RA 6969, Philippine Toxic Substances and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Act of 1990, RA 9003 is the Philippine Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, PES of 2000, RA 9729, Climate Change Act of 2009, RA 9512, Environmental Awareness and Education Act of 2008, and the Fisheries Code of 1998, which is Republic Act 8550. Tandaan niyo mga Republic Act na yan. Next, the Labor Code. Labor Code of the Philippines governs labor relation, employment standard, and workers' right. Next is DOLE, Healthcare Standard. Philippine health-related laws and standards from agencies like Department of Health, govern healthcare practices and facilities, DOLE and DOH. Dalawa to. Maraming mechanical dyan. Required. Philippine Housing and Urban Development Act. So provides, that is RA 97279, an act to provide for a comprehensive and continuing urban development and housing program. Establish the mechanism for its implementation and for other purposes. So this is the guidelines for urban development, housing policies, and standardized standard to ensure decent and affordable housing. So mga sa subdivision. Yan. International codes and standards naman tayo. So ang NFPA, International Building Code, ano ba itong IRC? Check na lang natin. Check na lang, marami yan. So IBC is International Building Code. Adopted in various form as a basis for building regulation, ensuring structural integrity and safety. International Fire Code provides guidelines to address fire safety, prevention, and emergency response. Actually, meron pa ibang international code. Di ba? May uniform fire code, uniform building code, gano'n. Meron pa ron. Next is ISO standard. Meron din, International Mechanical Code, meron din. The International Organization for Standardization, which is ISO, has numerous relevant standards, including quality management, that is ISO 9000, yung mga engineering, famous natin, and environmental management, ISO 14000, and occupational health and safety, ISO 45000, among others. Check nyo lang kung ano yan, mga yan. Next, American National Standard Institute, ANSI, provide standard for various industries. Some ANSI standards are referenced in Philippine regulation, specialty in safety and quality. Diba? Pati nga yung mga plants, materials. Five. Next is the NEPA, or National Plant Protection Association, or NEPA codes. Ito yung gagamit na reference standard no Fire Code of the Philippines. Nakalista ito doon. Okay? So, kung ano nakalagay dyan, yan ang sinusunod ng NEPA, ng Fire Code. A set of standard primarily focused on fire safety, widely used in fire prevention practices and regulations. Marami yan. Nasikat yan sa mechanical is NFA 101, NFA 13, 14, 20, saka 25, and testing and commissioning ng mga sprinkler system. NFA 15, foam type sprinkler. Next, World Health Organization, WHO standard. Health-related guidelines that affect public health, sanitation, and healthcare facility operations. So, yung mga sa HVAC yan na. So, regulatory agencies, several regulatory bodies enforce and oversee the implementation of these codes and standards. Meron tayong Department of Public Works and Highway, or PWH, oversees the National Building Code and Infrastructure Project. Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP, responsible for enforcing the fire code. Department of Health, the US, regulate healthcare standards and practices. Yung sa mga medical gas niya, mga librong book yan, yan ang reference ng mga sa healthcare. Environmental Management Bureau, AMB, enforces environmental law and standard. Air Quality, Clean Water Act. Department of Labor and Employment duly administers the labor code and workers' right protection. Sama na rin siya workers' right sa protection. Ang sama rin yan yung safety. Kaya yung mga equipment nyo, ina-applyan kong safe sa tao. Conclusion. Compliance with both local and international codes and standards is essential for ensuring safety, quality, and sustainability in various sectors within the Philippines. Stakeholders must stay informed about the changes to this regulation, ensuring alignment with best practices and legal requirements. Kaya yung latest standard, latest edition. Regular training and consultation with regulatory bodies can greatly aid in achieving compliance and raising industry standards. May tayong mga seminars, webinars na dinidiscuss ang mga standards. Okay, so thank you very much.